Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna sell bags and accessories, luxury bags and accessories. As you can see, everything that I'm showing to you like right now is available on the website, or maybe not anymore, so have a look. I'm gonna give you conditions and prices each time for each item. I have few ones that I need to show you. Every Wednesday I do this type of videos, so if you like it, please subscribe. And then let's start. So I do have a beautiful vintage Celine travel bag. This is a beautiful, beautiful one. I will give you the size on the screen. I am definitely not sure. I believe it's a 45 or a 50. This one comes with a strap, which is pretty cool to wear the bag. I have the key, and let me check if I have the padlock. Yes, we do have the padlock just here. And, which is quite rare on these Celine bags, the tag name. So nice. The condition of the bag is, I must say, very, very good. As you can see, almost no trace of wear. Even the corners are quite good. I'm super impressed. And the price of the bag is, oh my God, super interesting, 425 euro. Well, have a look and go very, very fast. I'm just interrupting this video to let you know that if you have bags you want to sell with us, we are going to Paris Sunday 23rd of February until the 25th of February, the Tuesday. In case you want to drop us some bags that you want to sell, we'd be very happy first to meet you and then to pick up your bags and organize the sale. Next is a Louis Vuitton, and this one is brand new. This is not a vintage. The other one is a vintage, but no odor. I'm just to be clear, no odor on the other one, vintage, but still super amazing. So I do have a box for this one. I have the invoice from the store. I had the dust bag. It's a brand new bag, and you're gonna see this one is quite special. This is the Palm Springs Mini. But this one is a limited edition version and unique because, as you can see, you have a little Vivienne on the sides. Let me explain the story of this bag. So this is a client that I know very well, and she was looking for this bag everywhere. It was sold out, and the only way to get this bag was to purchase the one more expensive, and you could add free patches, different patches on the bag. So this was the only way to purchase this bag. So she did. She didn't want any patches, but she had to have one, so she chose this Vivienne. So this bag is unique. This is a bag that you can wear as a little cross, like backpack, or you could do the bag as a crossbody bag simply by changing like the straps. The straps are adjustable. This is a brand new bag. Price is 1,690 euro. Amazing bag. Now let's talk about the Chanel handbag. This one is so cute. I do have the box. I also do have the invoice. This is an almost full set bag, almost. So the invoice is here and I have it here. So this is a dust bag. Let's open it. It's so cute. I almost kept it for me, actually. Love it. Ta-da! This is a small bag in Bordeaux caviar leather, silver hardware. You can wear this bag as a crossbody, so it's so chic and cool. You have so many places inside. I'm gonna show you. So for this bag, you get the front pocket that is actually huge, and with a zipper one. Excellent condition on the inside. I'm impressed. I'm gonna check my price. Okay, this is here, and then you get another place spot here where you open, and so nice little cards holder like place. You get the card as well. You have pockets and pockets, and here too. This is like wallet on chain, but plus the pouch. This is so freaking chic, and the price is actually very good. Let me check again, but 2,550 euro for this little beauty. I would say corners are great. Like, honestly, nothing to say about this little one. This is a very, very good purchase. Next is the toiletry pouch. This one is the small version. I do have also the dust bag for this pépite. Pépite means like a gem, like something you won't see everywhere, kind of. Corners are exceptional. Excellent condition for this one. Inside is leather. This is a vintage one, guys. The leather parts here is a little bit darker, but otherwise very, very good condition, and we have a special price of 240 euro. Next, on Louis Vuitton bags, we have this beautiful Speedy 25 in blue epi leather, but it's not the navy blue, it's a very kind of a bright blue. First time I have this one, I'm so happy. This one is gorgeous. I love epi leather bags, as you know. I have personally two. These are my two first handbags, and condition of this one is actually very good. Little rubbing on the corner here, but otherwise excellent. Let me check the inside with you. That you have a great leather pull here that is in excellent condition. Inside is also in very good condition. You have the little pocket that is hiding here. And let me just give you the year of the bag. It's a 1994 bag. Wow, exceptional. This bag is older than me. This is insane. It has 31-year-old. This is crazy. And the AP leather is in excellent condition. A little fold here, but almost nothing. And the price is 480 euro. Okay, so next I do have also this beautiful bifold wallet from Chanel. This one is from the Cambon collection. You have a black leather and patent. I would say like good, very good condition. You have some little trace of wear, but almost nothing. And corners are like rubbed. That was used a little bit. The zipper works perfectly. Inside you have trace of wear. I will try to also clip it kind of. You have so many pockets. You can fit a pen here, like pockets there. This is a bright pink. You have some little stain. It was previously used. Same in the coin section, but these are wallets that we keep kind of forever. So this is actually a good one, and the price is 365 euro. Next is a Soufflot. This is a Louis Vuitton black AP leather bag. Excellent condition, I must say. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Almost nothing to say on the outside. It's a vintage, but in such an exceptional condition. Hardware is lightly used, almost nothing as well. And let me check the inside. One little stain on the inside, but almost as well nothing. And the price for this beautiful bag is 455 euro. This is such a steal. This is such a steal. Like the last time we sold one, it was like around 700 euro. So this is such a steal. Now a little one also from Louis Vuitton. Then I have other brands. This one is a complete full set. I have box and dust bag. And let me check my price first. Okay, so this one is a mini one. You're gonna love it. This is a very cute little one. I don't have them again on the website. This is a key pouch chain from Louis Vuitton in monogram canvas. I would say very good condition. It was like a little bit used, but almost nothing. Some hardware used, and the price is 219 euro. Then let's head to a Gucci bag. This one is brand new with the tags of a brand. Yes, this one is named the Soho bag. I love the name actually because this is one of my favorite neighborhoods in New York. And you know how much I love New York. I'm going back very soon. I'm so excited. But anyway, so this is a Soho black leather bag. This is a very fancy one, very easy and classic. You can wear this bag as a crossbody and you can adjust the size of it. So it's actually very, very cute and easy to wear. This is not a huge bag. It's brand new, completely brand new, so nothing to say. And the price is 900 euros, so below 1,000. Now, meet the new baby that we received, the Loulou from Saint Laurent. It's kind of a light gray cream, beautiful color, gold hardware. This is a bag with chain that you can wear like here under the shoulder. By the way, they decided also to stop this one. They will stop the Loulou bag, but they are going to replace the Loulou by another Loulou kind of, but more East-West version. Like more East-West version. So I actually prefer this one. So I think now is the best moment to buy one. So you can wear the bag. You can wear the bag as a crossbody. This is an excellent condition. I must say I have absolutely nothing to say on the outside and on the inside as well. The price is 1,799 euro, and this is such a functional bag. Next, let's talk about Celine with a little Celine macadam pouch. This is the mini version. Excellent condition. This is such a cute one. I'm in love. Beautiful condition. Like honestly, I'm trying to show you best that I can. Let's see the inside. What I love about this one is that you open it like a doctor pouch, you know. It's very, very functional because it opens perfectly inside, and it will replace like gladly the Louis Vuitton pouch that you usually see. No odor, lightly, like, but not vintage, so it's good. I think because it was not used, it smells like leather. Yeah, it smells like leather and some other stuff. I can see like some little damage here, but it's very mini, honestly. And the price is great. 165 euro is such a steal. And now we have the Noé from Louis Vuitton. This is my first bag from Louis Vuitton. I have it in AP leather, but this one is in a monogram. Very good condition. Honestly, you can adjust a little bit the strap in the front. This is a leather base. The leather base has some trace of wear, but very okay. It's not big stains. Corners are a little bit rubbed, but nothing so bad. Inside is very good, and I might have to look for the price. Price for this one is 780 euro, which is very good. Like when you compare the condition of the bag, and these are bags that they sell, I believe, more than 2,000 euro USD on retail. So this is so good. Voila for the video of the day. I hope you enjoyed them. Go check the website bamluxurystore.com and consider subscribing. I will see you soon for another video this Sunday. Something different. Wednesday's video are for backdrop days, so I release new bags to buy and accessorize on my website. Everything is authenticated. Every bag goes through Entropy certification plus my expertise. And we deliver worldwide. We deliver to the US, Canada, and so on. So don't hesitate to actually purchase. Or if you have any questions, consider contacting us on the Instagram of BAM Luxury Store or the Instagram of my personal Instagram, margavaluxpro, or any other way you have on the website with the chat or with the email, or we'll be glad to answer to you. We also take consignments. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. See you soon.